Cook. I'm the health educator in Lincoln and Boone counties for WVU Extension's Family Nutrition Program. Today I wanted to show you how to make one of our healthy snacks that we use with our programs. It's called apple cookies. So this is a healthy alternative to actual cookies. This just gives you an opportunity to get more fruits and more protein into your diet. So before we get started, anytime you are going to cook or prepare something or eat, there's two things you should do. One, wash your hands. I've already done that with my sink back here. And any fruits or vegetables that you're going to use that are fresh, you should make sure to wash them for about 10 seconds underneath the water and just rub your hands over them, or if you have a little brush, scrub them. That just helps to get any dirt or anything that may be on them off before you prepare them. So you'll need 3 ingredients for this recipe. You'll need apples, of course. You'll need peanut butter to spread on your apple, and you will need some sort of dried fruit. So I've already got some slices made over here. You are going to take a knife and a cutting board, slice the ends of your apple off. You're going to slice in circular motions so that it'll be the shape of a cookie, which is why it's called apple cookies. Once you start slicing your slices, you're going to notice that the core of the apple is in the slice. You'll want to use your knife to very carefully cut out your core kind of like a square shape. Make a little square around your core. If you have a cookie cutter, that's okay to use too, as it's probably a little bit safer. And you just cut that little square around it, and then you can easily just push it out like that. So I've got my apple slice made for my cookie. It's got peanut butter. Just smear the peanut butter on. Some other options that you can use, instead of, I'm going to be using dried cranberries today. Other options that you could use would be raisins, shredded coconut, or any other kind of dried fruit that you may want to use or have at your house. So, like I said, I'm going to use some dried cranberries because that's what we have here on hand at our house. And you can see that this is your apple cookie. Healthy alternative. Your apple should make about 8 to 10 cookies, depending on how thick you slice it. You can slice them thinner, or you can slice them thicker. So, hope you enjoy